Hello everyone, I'm just making this video as I promised yesterday, to discuss something that I feel should be talked about and spread more, and so here it goes. Various things are used to divide us, not only in America, but elsewhere in the world, and these things are, including but not limited to, race, color, creed, religion, political views, sexual orientation, ethnic and national background, views on various topics, also including, but not limited to, abortion, as I said, same-sex marriage, and many, many, many other topics. Those are just a few of them. But I believe even the what color is this dress? What color was the dress thing separated us, which personally I think was really stupid because who cares? It's just a dress. But even small things like that can and have divided some people up here. Now, granted, people aren't so divided that they're throwing rocks at each other or something, but I definitely feel like we are kept divided because whoever is doing the dividing probably knows that united we can change the world, but divided we're left bickering and anger and resentment, and that could lead to possible destruction in one way or another, internally or socially. Now, to accentuate or emphasize the message here is we need to put aside all our differences. As hard as it may seem, I know you may be firm and adamant on your decisions, but to look at another human being and not see someone who, oh, I'm liberal, they're Republican, I'm Jewish or Christian, they're Muslim or whatever, I'm pro-choice, they're pro-life, or I'm this, or they're that. We need to just instead look at another human being. Maybe close our eyes if it helps, and think, you're a fellow human being who is worthy and deserving of unconditional love, and you are capable of amazing things, and you are worthy, and you are a multi-dimensional, immortal, divine being, and I need to see you in a better light. We need to see, that's kind of what we need to do, see other people in a much higher light than we otherwise might see them. And if we can do this, if we can make that conscious decision and then put our effort into it, I believe we can slowly make strides towards eliminating some of these walls that have been put up between us. And once we do that, I feel like not only will we feel a little bit more free, but we'll start to come together. Maybe vitriol differences will dissipate and society will start to advance a little bit. So I encourage all of you out there, the next time you look at someone who you strongly disagree with or you may not like at all, it's like, in addition to my previous video where I was challenging you to love your enemies, look at them in that higher light. Look at them, and as I said, close your eyes and think, you are worthy of unconditional love. You are worthy of all the kindness that is deserving for you. Think good, positive things like that. And you'll start to see maybe your differences, or you'll start to see those little angry emotions you have every time you see them start to slowly disappear. You'll start to see things in a whole new light, and that can affect your perceptions and your behaviors. So I encourage all of you, let's get out there, and whoever we may have beef with, look at them in that special light. Tell them that they're worthy of unconditional love, that they're worthy and they're very important. Tell them that they're special and that they're awesome. Even a kind word can change someone's attitude. This is evidenced by me in various examples. I'm not going to name names for privacy's sake, but at my job, there have been a couple people who even a kind word has completely changed their mood. They might not be in a happy mood, but a kind word has, at the end, they're like, hey, thanks, yeah, you have a good day too. So they feel a little bit better. So therefore, I'm encouraging you, all of you, go out there and really look at the world. Really look at people who are different from you, who may have different positions and different views from you, in that special light. Really warm your heart up to them. And together, we can move society forward. So, my brothers and sisters, my fellow beings of light, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.